Here's a quick tip to help you improve your career growth. You can make your resume much more transparent, and the way you can do this is by first focusing on your skills. You probably have your skills listed out currently, but rather than just doing that, there are a few things that you can do to improve them. The first thing is to make it time-based, so you can provide information about when you acquired those skills and how long you've been using them. The second thing you can do is to get feedback from different people in your professional ecosystem about those skills. So this makes you seem much more credible, as hiring managers and employers can validate the skills that you have mentioned. And the third thing you can do is to actually give details about your experience and how you've been using those skills. This gives much more insight into how equipped you are with these skills, and again makes you come across more credible. This is actually a very important feature from Web3 or decentralized apps, and this video is part of a longer series where we tell you how to learn from those important features. Stay tuned and follow us to make sure you don't miss these important tips to help you with your career growth.